Received this Dell Inspiron 1575559 laptop, and what's the problem it is having? It's dripping the liquid from the screen. As you can see, it's a sticky liquid, and the problem right now is the screen is very dim. It's hardly to see the screen, and it changes colors as well. I'll show you in just a couple of seconds. As you can see, I can see the screen, but the colors are very dim. Now what I will do, I will open the laptop and to see if I can fix the screen or I need to replace it. I'm just turning off the laptop and then opening the screen from this side. I'm using this tool, or you can use this one as well. Because the reason why I'm not using it, when I try to rub this one on the rubber is no good, it's just getting out. That's the reason why I'm just using this one. Just go very slow because this has got a touch screen, and it's put a lot of stress on the screen while I just open it from here. Do not go more than this inside, because if you go more than this, it's gonna break the screen. If you are not sure, then turn on the laptop and you can see the screen from this side. I'll just put a stress on it to really show you how it goes. On this side, it is not displaying. Maybe from, as you can see, it's a little bit stress on the screen from here when I just push too hard. Just go very slow because the locks are really hard on this one. As soon as you see the stress on the screen, do not force it. As you can see from this side here, do not rush because this is very sensitive. One crack can damage the entire screen. It doesn't matter if it takes about 30 minutes, 20 minutes, just go very slow. Because I've seen many people just they open straight away without any hassle. I don't know how it works for them, but it is really hard. Just hold little bit the screen from this side, the cover, and then go slowly. This one worked a little bit better than the other one. If there is no rubber issue, the rubber doesn't come out like this. As you can see, it's just removing the rubber. If that's not the case, this tool is better. As you can see, the sticky liquid all around. This one come out. Okay, I will turn off the laptop and to really remove the screen, I'm just holding the power button, power off. Okay, I'm going to clean the sticky liquid around and on on the connector as well to see how it goes. Okay, as long as the sticky liquid is on all the side around as well as on the connector and in the ribbon as well as around this area and here as well. Means this one dripping from here. I'm not quite sure either it's a screen liquid or it's a touch liquid. It's the screen is attached to the touch and more likely the glue between the screen and the touch, that could be one of that. I will do a cleaning in any way and check after cleaning, otherwise I will just go for replacing it. Okay, I do have handy this smaller screen. I will just test with this one if the display works fine. It's the same connector. I will check it if it displays fine with this one. Just stay with me. I will check it after cleaning this VGA cable. Okay, no difference has been made even after cleaning this screen from the side, and I just put it back everything. Now you can see the screen is attached and it is working fine, but there is no difference with the color after even cleaning it. Now still the same dim light and with different colors. Now there is no option we need to we need to change this screen, even though I tried to put this one, the smaller one, to see if I can see the display. At least I was unable to see the display. Now I will just go for turning it off and gonna check the number of this screen to see which screen I need to order. You can see the number as well in here. This is the screen number. It's LP156UD2. These are the number you can order the screen for this laptop if you are unable to find with the same model. Sometimes the Dell put the same screen on different models and the wholesaler may not have it. In that case, just use these numbers to really go for and order the screen according to the numbers. Okay, thanks for watching the video. First, I'm removing this battery connector because I'm going to clean the cable. As you can see, I just disconnected the battery connector, and then I will go for cleaning of this cable. I will show you there is an issue I found with the cable. I just may want to try this. There is a black spot over here. I will show you in a closer look. I will clean this one and then test the LED again to see if it works after that. Okay, this is the black spot I was talking about, and this is, I'm just going to clean it because I suspect that this might be the uh, backlight as well, because the laptop screen is a little bit dim. I will clean this area and then I will just connect the LED again to see if it works, because I just disconnected the battery, because with the battery it's gonna have a short, because the line over here, this one, if it is a backlight line, then this might gonna create a short because it's a high voltage line. That's the reason why I just remove the battery, and then I'm just rubbing this one to see if this connector makes any trouble with the LED. I'll do a little bit cleaning and then I will be back. Okay, I did little bit of a cleaning and I scratched the pin. As you can see here, it is much more cleaner now. It used to be black, and now I will connect the LED and see if the backlight issue resolves. If it doesn't, then we do not have any option to go for at least changing the screen. Okay, after cleaning, I'm just going to connect the screen to see if any difference. If there is no difference, then we do not have any option rather than just going to replace the screen. I'm just connecting the battery back. Turning on the laptop. I did not see this screen before. Now I just seen the BIOS screen. It looks like we cannot fix this screen. It is completely damaged. Now there is no option to really go for except just changing. Solution has fixed the screen backlight because the cable was corroded from at certain location. That was one of the issue. This laptop wasn't having a backlight. Now we cleaned the cable there and it is having a backlight now. Before it was having a backlight issue. Now we can clearly see how the liquid has dripped out of this laptop and the entire screen is almost messed up. Now it is working fine with the backlight. At least we can be sure that we just change the screen and the problem will be resolved. Okay, thanks for watching the video.